In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can get shaders here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition without mods. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want shaders here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, don't worry, this is going to work on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even some mobile devices. And the best part is you're not going to need any mods, add-ons, or downloads. From the main menu though, essentially go ahead and select settings and then scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see this little video option right here. Open this up, and once you are in here, you're going to want to look for this graphic mode setting up at the very top. Essentially, go ahead and switch this from whatever it's set to vibrant visuals from you, and then after that, go ahead and make sure that you select favor visuals. Now from here, there is a few different settings that you're going to want to change. Most of these are at the very bottom, and you can change the rest of these if you want, just to customize it a little bit, but essentially just scroll down, and what you're looking for is these options that say like fancy. So essentially, go ahead and make sure that you have fancy leaves turned on, fancy bubbles turned on, and I would also make sure that you have like fancy clouds or render clouds turned on as well. And then of course, if you want to change any other settings, feel free to just mess around and adjust them accordingly. But whenever you do this, you can back out and get loaded into really any world. And once you get loaded into that world, you'll notice the changes pretty much immediately. These obviously aren't as intense as those Java shaders, but this is the built-in shader support for Bedrock, and it runs way smoother. Again, no third-party mods, no texture packs, and no risk. If your device supports it, it is ready to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.